హలో చిల్డ్రన్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఏకేఎన్ స్ప్రింట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఎస్ఎస్సి పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఏప్రిల్ 2023 సైన్స్ పార్ట్ 1 ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎవల్యూషన్, అసలు మన ఆన్సర్ షీట్ని ఎట్లా ఎవల్యూషన్ చేస్తారు, అసలు ఏ క్రైటీరియా బేస్ చేసి మనకి మార్క్స్ అవార్డ్ చేస్తారు అనేది చూద్దాం. సో credit may be given to any relevant answer other than one given in principle of evaluation. If student use some or all keywords mentioned for each answer while writing the answer, marks may be awarded depending on the relevance of the answer. The examiner is requested to go through the textbook carefully to identify the concept asked in a given question. Border case may be looked into very carefully. Please avoid awarding 1/4 or 3/4 marks. Question number 1 వచ్చేసి మనకి what are the uses of nanotubes? Nanotubes are good conductors, so they are used as molecular wise. So main keyword is molecular wise. In integrated circuits, nanotubes are used instead of copper to connect the components together. In integrated circuits, used to connect the components together. Scientists inserted biomolecules into nanotubes to inject them into a single cell. So insert biomolecules to inject them into a single cell. Award 2 marks for any two of the above. So coming to question number 2, required materials in the experiment reaction of acids with metals. So the materials required are dilute HCl, zinc granules, test tube, delivery tube, glass tumbler, retard stand, rubber cork, soap water, candle and matchbox. If student write an acid metal named, award for 1 mark. Award 1 mark for any 4 materials in the above. Now coming to third question, why household electrical appliances are connected always in parallel? Reason what? If household electrical appliances are connected in series, if we want to use only one appliance, we have to use all. Unnecessarily more electric power will be consumed. Increase electric charges. Probably of power load in the circuit, more possibly for short circuit. Due to short circuit, all appliances may be damaged. If one of the appliances is damaged, all appliances do not work. One switch is enough for such circuits. If switch is damaged, all the appliances not work. So we need to award 2 marks for any two of the above. Now section 2, uses of washing soda used in glass industry, soap industry, paper industry, manufacture of sodium components such as borax. It is used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Now coming to tabular question, it belongs to which period they asked? Third period. Non-metals are phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Third question is which is more which non-metal has sodium is. Fourth one is metallic character is decreases when we move from left to right in a period. Reason for appearance of sun in red color during sunrise and sunset. Molecules having a size that is comparable to the wavelength of red light or less than in the atmosphere. So scattering of red light is less when compared to the other colors of light. The light from the sun need to travel more distance in atmosphere during the sunrise and sunset. Except red light, all colors scattered more and vanish before they reach us. Since scattering of red light is very small, it reaches us. As a result, the sun appears red in color during sunrise and sunset. Next, coming to section 3, required material to conduct the experiment: concave mirror of known focal length, V-stand, candle or object, white sheet, drawing sheet, screen, meter scale or measuring tape. That if you write that, you will get 2 marks. Then experimental procedure: place the concave mirror of known focal length on V stand, locate the pole, focus and center of curvature where V stand is located either on floor or table. Keep the object or candle beyond the center of curvature and get the image on the screen. Measure and record the values of object distance, image distance in the table. Repeat the experiment by placing the object at center of curvature between focus and center of curvature, at focus, between focus and pole, and record the values in the table, right? Those values you need to draw this table. Award 1 mark if student draws only diagram. Award 4 marks if student explains experimental procedure in his words with diagram. Okay. Now coming to 8th question. Characteristics of image when an object is placed between center of curvature and focus. Image formed beyond center of curvature, you will get inverted image. Enlarged image is formed, real image is formed. Simply you need to draw the diagram. Next, formation of N2 molecule. As the electronic configuration of N is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Px orbital of nitrogen atom overlaps px orbital of another nitrogen atom, giving sigma px bond along the internuclear axis. The py pz orbital of nitrogen atom overlap the py pz orbital of another nitrogen atom laterally. They are perpendicular to the internal molecular axis, giving pi bonds, pi py and pi pz bonds. Therefore, N2 molecule has triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. You must draw the diagram. So you can see the indicators, keywords, and marks awarded to each and every point. And part B, options C, C, A, B, B, A, D, D, C, A. Okay, children, this is your physical science principles of evolution.